Did you know that knowing your furnace's serial number can save you time? This number is crucial for maintenance and repairs. Today we'll uncover how to find these important serial numbers on furnace control panels. First, let's understand what we're looking for. The serial number is a unique code. It identifies your furnace model and manufacturing details. Knowing this number helps in ordering parts and understanding warranty coverage. Now, let's dive into the steps for finding the serial number on a furnace control panel. Start by ensuring the furnace is turned off. Safety is always the priority. Locate the access panel, usually found on the front. Most panels are secured with screws or clips. Once you've opened the panel, look for a metal or plastic label. This label typically holds the information you need. The serial number is usually printed prominently. Sometimes it's located near the electrical components. If you can't find it right away, check for any additional labels. Manufacturers often place them in multiple spots. Common areas include the flame rollout switch or on the side of the burner compartment. Here's a relatable scenario. Imagine you're replacing a part, but you don't have the serial number. You might end up ordering the wrong part. This mistake wastes time and money. Having the serial number available makes the process smooth. To summarize, finding your furnace control panel serial number is easy. Always ensure safety first. Look for the access panel and identify the label. This knowledge is key for effective HVAC maintenance and repairs. Ready to take control of your HVAC skills? Find your furnace's serial number today. It could save you time and trouble. Don't hesitate to dive in and improve your technician toolkit.